Alright, so I've been out to Bunnings and I've got, so this snorkel I got, which is off a 65 series Hilux, I'm fairly sure. It's like a 1980s model. It's passenger side. Now this is a 75mm or 76mm 3-inch PVC, PCV, or whatever they call it, PVC pipe, which my plan will be, so currently my airbox sat like this, and this is all sealed here, and it used to bring my water, my level, the water couldn't get into the intake unless it was like kind of higher than the airbox, like raised it from here to here. But there's been a few projects going where people have done snorkels, and this has done really well for us. We've traveled in water that's been up to here, touching the top of the arch, and we have still been able to drive through with no problems, which is generally enough. But we're going to the desert next year, and I want to raise the level of where the air's coming in so it's cooler, rather than at the bottom near the engine. Because at the moment this just sits, just imagine this is on the other side, or I can even show you, it sits here, and this basically stops water that flashes up over the headlights, and it stops it from going in. That's why this bit's a bit of an extension part here. Technically our water height is, I just go anywhere up to underneath the lower of the headlight and we're safe, is the way I've gauged it when people are spotting me. If this headlight goes underwater, well then we stop and go back. But I mean, anything can happen. You can dip yourself into a hole, but yeah, that's the current design, and that's worked really, really well for me. I used to use silicone to seal it up, and I sealed all the holes, the drain hole too. Let's put a bit of silicone in it, some tape over it, and just siliconed it. And water, I can literally fill this up with water all the way to the top and it doesn't leak. And the water comes up to here in the front bit and it just doesn't leak. And that you know, it's sealed enough anyway to just do a quick water crossing. I found this on a Subaru group where they did snorkels for a Subaru. But what was interesting about this particular item, which is this Memorex or something. It's just a flexible hose that's actually designed for intake flow. A member in the Adventra group actually used the same one. So it gave me confidence that this could work. And I think Clive showed me an idea where he cut a hole. Clive in the group cut a hole here to get his stainless steel system out. So I'm going to follow a similar design. That way we retain all the standard filtering. My plan will be to use this, which cost me about $4 from Bunnings. And I haven't worked out if I'm going to go that way. Hang on, which way is this? Yeah, so it's this side. So I haven't worked out yet which way I'm going to go. If I'm going to go try and bolt this on here, or bolt this on here, I'll cut this to length. Now I don't know what the lengths will be, but it's basically got to come out a little bit, so into the side of the car, so then I can put this around it. Hopefully it fits, yeah. So I'll put this around it. So imagine that's in the car right now. This will be coming out probably from here. Well, it might even be shorter than that. It might be like that. It's going to turn around the corner. It's going to run up the side of the quarter panel, and then it's going to come out the side of the car on the outside like that. And then the snorkel will pretty much come onto this, run up the side of the car. And that's pretty much how it's going to work. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that didn't end shockingly. Well, I could even push it through this way. I mean, it doesn't really matter which way. But if I put it in this way, think it'll be too close to the edge with stuff anyway, so it's not the end of the world. I just want to probably trim the edge of that. I'm like crazily dangerous. I don't know why, I just do it. Okay, that should look a bit better. So now, just, yeah, it looks heaps better. Make sure there's no dust and stuff stuck in there. And that's a much better fit than the way I was going to do the other way. Because and all I've got to do now, put this back in. Stick to these two holes that I made. There's another issue. That's probably not a really good point to put a hole in, but I've done it already, so avoid that mistake. Stop it from like the plastic from getting destroyed. Shouldn't need to be that strong, I don't think. I mean, this just sits on like that, but the tightness will be directly related to its sealing ability, and so that's kind of what it looks like. Not the most tidiest thing, but that's solid. Like, that is not coming out. So once I put some silicone around that, I don't see water going in there. Basically, this part will then go, oh, tell me it's, yeah, this part will go in like that. I'll be able to have a bit of allowance if I need to push it in more or back, but let's just see. Is that in? Yeah, that closes fine. So, and this socket, this drill bit is 3/16, 4.76 mil that I used. I mean, I'm just guessing my sizes, so I don't know what I'm drilling. I'm thinking to myself, well, if I know what worked and I tell you guys, then you can just use all the same things if you want to copy what I've done here. It's kind of why I'm recording this. So if this video is helping you guys do something that you're gonna do and it's helped you, please subscribe, because a little bit of effort goes into recording these. Like, it's not straightforward as one would think. Filming stuff when you're doing it. All right, so the next part, the Hilux 65 series or whatever it is, Hilux works apparently because of the antenna. Like, you see how this lines up well here? That just runs up the side up there, and then this gets drilled into here. It will go in like that. It's a pretty good angle. Like, that's almost spot on. You just have to be careful of the door, obviously. Where's the door open? Because that's something that a lot of people don't think about. Then they put them on and then realise that the angle for the door is bad. So I think, yeah, that should be fine. Something like that. The angle might come up a bit. You can make these mold better if you heat them and just melt them a little bit and reshape them, but my question is the exact position of this in the end. That's the part I'm not sure about. So because this will obviously be more down, kind of facing into this cavity here. So I think this guard will have to come off, and then we'll need to drill a hole. I don't know how simple these guards come off. I know the front bar has to come off. Front bar has to come off. That blue thing that extends, so that basically that will go into the white part, and it will run up here and then out here. It's kind of the whole idea. But I think I'm going to have to take off my UHF aerial, all this stuff. That'll have to come off. All these come off. Whole quarter panel comes out. It's going to be a bit of a project. Anyway, that'll be this first part done. Stay tuned for the next part. Jesus Christ. Everything lines back up. Let's go. See how she is.